Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube kitchen. On today's menu, we have this really appetizing peppered shrimps garnished with some vegetables. If you are a lover of seafood like me, then this video is for you. So please keep watching for this quick and easy recipe. So the first step is to defrost the prawns in some warm water. I've had it in the freezer for like a while now and it's so frozen. So the prawns have already been cleaned before freezing, so all I need is for it to melt the ice, and then I would remove the soft shell. Some people like to eat the shell, but I personally don't like it much, so I would remove it. But I'll leave in one or two just to show you how it will be with and without the shell. The water has gotten so dirty, so I'm going to change the water and wash it the second time and then transfer it into my cooking pan. So I don't need to add any water at all because the prawns will steam up enough water to cook itself. I'll just add a little salt to taste. I don't have to add much because I would still add some in the pepper sauce. Then I would add some seasoning cube, then some blended ginger. You could also use garlic if you prefer, or even the both of them. And then some paprika, chili and curry powder, just for some extra aroma and color. Then I'll mix it properly to blend with the ingredients. You can now see that some water is already coming out. It should be enough to cook it. Then I'll cover the pan and let it cook for about 3 minutes. And while we're waiting for the prawn to cook, I'm going to go in with this pepper and onions blend and blend it properly in preparation for our pepper sauce. So guys, at this point, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please just click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be the one to be notified. Anyways, so now you can see the difference between the one with the peeled shell and the one without. The one with shell is still very shapeful, while the one without is rounding up already. The thing is, when it comes to looks and presentation, the one with shell looks better, but ingredients tend to enter better and deeper into the one without shell. Hence, it's usually tastier for me. But I would prioritize taste over look anytime, any day. Anyways, the water has now dried up and I'm going to turn off the cooker and transfer the cooked prawns into a plate. To make the pepper sauce, I'll pour in some cooking oil into the same pan and then pour in the pepper and onions blend and saute for about 2 minutes. Then I would add a little more seasoning just for the sauce to be tasty. And now we go in with the cooked prawns and mix it with the hot pepper. Now I would turn off my cooker. I use an electric cooker so it retains some heat even after turning it off. If you use gas, you should lower your burner to the lowest at this time. So while it's still on low heat, I would go ahead and garnish it with some spring onions, and you could also use some parsley leaf or any other garnishing that you would like. You can now enjoy your prawns with some chilled drink. You could also use this to make some pasta or noodles, or just eat it normally as your regular proteins. And thanks a lot for watching this video guys, and don't forget to subscribe and like my video, and also recommend it to some of your friends who might need this recipe. So enjoy the rest of your day. Till next time, bye guys.